Good Monday morning, everybody. Today, the 7th of December, 2020. My name is Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. We're taking a look here at the NDFD map. Put it on loop. What's the weather headlines today? Well, looking like a wet start this week in the southeast. Some light snow in parts of the mid-Atlantic. Critical fire weather in Southern California, and air stagnation advisories in the northwest. Mild and dry from the plains to California, and chilly along the east coast. All of this and more is coming up on. Taking a quick look at the power outages for today. Everybody's looking pretty normal except for Maine, where they still have 83,145 people without electricity. And boy, oh boy, is it cold in Maine. Looking like for the most part for today, down around this area of Maine and throughout most of all of Maine, should be partly sunny to partly cloudy, but boy, oh boy, is that going to be cold. Same goes for the Boston area in Massachusetts. For most of the week, you're not going to be cold as Maine, but it's going to be chilly, so be prepared and be aware and stay safe and warm. Before we get going, let me tell you, all the weather watches and warnings and advisories, they're over on the community post in the homepage of my weather here at YouTube. I have a link. Click show more down below. Click that link, scroll down till you find your area. Whether it's air stagnation, whether it's critical fire at red flag warnings, whether it's winter snow warnings, whether it's any of this, it's all right there. Scroll down till you find your area. If you're not mentioned in these areas, you don't have any watches or warnings today. And if you're into the weather, please subscribe. If you haven't done so, click subscribe, click that bell, and make sure you check off all to get all of my latest weather videos. As we look at the future radar for today right now, you can see, I said chilly. It's really cold to me, folks, but it's chilly all up and down the areas here from Maine all the way down around the coastal sections here of North Carolina and South Carolina. This blue is a little bit of snow, and in eastern Tennessee, right in this area, you guys do have some winter advisories going on. Please check it out. This snow shouldn't amount to a whole lot over in Virginia. You can see some snow is falling. Here's your timestamps. Here's your date. Let's get going. Now, this potential upper level trough, what's happening, folks, is forcing an area of low pressure to develop off the southeast coast this morning. Now, this quick moving storm system is making for a very damp start to the week from the Carolinas to Florida. Raining at my house right now. A little farther north, precipitation looks to fall in the form of snow from the southern Appalachians to southern Virginia. Now, some light accumulations of snow, maybe an inch looking like will be the most commonly observed snowfall totals in these areas. So not a lot of snow. Some places may get an inch. Some may just get a coating. Some may not see any at all. Look for conditions to dry out across the southeast and the southern mid-Atlantic by late afternoon. So see, it's not going to last because this high pressure is going to build from the west and build in overhead by tomorrow. In the west, mostly dry conditions continue. I know you folks out there in California need some rain. Looking like these dry conditions are going to continue as an expansive area of high pressure stretches from the northwest to the upper Midwest. Meanwhile, we got deepening upper level low off the Southern California coast. Now, this is going to happen this afternoon, and it's going to cause a surface low pressure system to form, thus tightening that pressure gradient over the region and fostering in an increasingly windy environment over the region. What's going to happen with the result? Yet another favorable setup for fire weather in Southern California, where already there's a critical risk and the red flag warnings are up and in effect. Fire weather conditions also extend north up the California coast and into the Sacramento Valley. You guys have red flag warnings also in place. In addition, high surf warnings were posted for portions of the southern and central California coast. They're up through Tuesday. You move a little farther north, we got air stagnation advisories. They're remaining in effect for much of the interior northwest through Tuesday, as an upper level ridging and high pressure at the surface lead to very poor air quality. Now, if you have any respiratory problems whatsoever, please make sure you go check and see if you're in these areas, because it could make it very hard on you to breathe. Now, temperature-wise, abnormally mild patterns set up shop from the plains to the west coast. The warmest temperatures versus normal are forecast to occur Tuesday in the northern plains, where daily anomalies of maybe 20 to 25 degrees even above normal are expected. The one region that receives precipitation the first half of the week is the Pacific Northwest, where a pair of fronts track across this region. East of the Mississippi River, a more winter-like temperature regime is entrenched along the East Coast. It's going to stay chilly for us, folks. If you ask me, it's going to stay cold. Now, the highs are going to struggle to get out of the 30s in parts of the southern mid-Atlantic and Tennessee Valley today. Now, by tomorrow morning, some of these areas in the deep south will see temperatures dip below well freezing. Temperatures moderate to more seasonal levels up and down the East Coast by Wednesday, with the lone exception being Florida, where below normal temperatures will likely continue. No severe weather today, maybe early morning hours down around the very tip of southern Florida. You could have some thunderstorms pop up, but no chance of tornadoes, wind damage, or hail. Other than that, that's a check of your weather coming up for today and the next couple of days, what it's looking like. Be safe, be warm, my friends, and have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. Share this information with your family, your friends, and on your social media to help me keep people safe and aware of what's going on. I would appreciate it so very much. May each and every one of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your lives today. I thank you for everything you do for me. Thank you so much for watching.